There you go. Red button only. Oh. Hey, no. 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 Oh. Yeah.
He just hit himself with him.
I hope it hits himself in the face. Oh, no. That's not hitting yourself in the face. He should be a drummer. I want to get a picture of his baby butt and put it on like one of his cakes for when he's like, ouch, a teenager.
That would definitely embarrass him.
Yes, it would. Yes, it would. Why? No. 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 Do it. No. Give Sissy a kiss. It's not the right kiss. No. Yes. Okay, you can have it back. I sent Alonzo that video. He's like, oh my god, that's funny.
Like, what is he laughing at? You.
You think it's too pretty. He's flirting. That's what I'm assuming. Come on, Gage. Do it. No, quit watching TV.
Engage.
Uh-oh. Oh, no. Please don't hit me. Yeah, no. Nom.
Ah! Getting attacked.
Oh.
Vicious.
Yeah.
Well, that was an interesting way of getting down.
Huh?
I said that was an interesting way of getting down.
What do you do?
Put his front feet, or put his hands down and put his one back leg down and like did the splits.
Oh.
That's what I said. Oh.
That's so mean to him, but he don't care.
I have a drumstick. Ouch! You hit me with it. Ouch.
Don't you start.
Ouch.
He enjoys causing pain. Make him do that again.
I can't make him do it.
Oh, he's ran to my foot. Oh! Please don't break my TV, I just got that.
You just got that?
I switched out TVs with my mom.
Gage. And you want me to stop recording?
Before it gets to 10 minutes. Because then you can't put it on YouTube. Or when it gets really boring.
Oh. You're fine.
Yeah, I'm glad you like to share. Hey. No, 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 no. Pull it out of his butt. No. Okay! Turn it off. Oh. This is his own ball. You're just going.